It's hard to believe that this inflation started more than 2 years ago. Everyone's budget is getting tighter because of inflation, and there's not much we can do to stop prices from going up. But one thing you can do as an individual to fight back is to make more money. Here are the 5 best ways to make money during inflation. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. 1. Real estate. As inflation goes up, the value of your home is likely to go up, but the amount you pay each month for your mortgage will stay the same. This is the most important part of building home equity, which can help you make a lot more money quickly. When you buy a house, you also protect yourself from rising rents. Like the prices of most other goods, rents tend to go up when inflation goes up. 2. Value stocks. Value stocks are companies that make a lot of money for the price of their shares. They also have strong cash flows, which investors tend to like when prices are going up. On the other hand, growth stocks tend to be more sensitive to changes in interest rates, which are often used by the government to fight inflation. Inflation has been very low over the past 10 years, which has been a great time for growth stocks. But value stocks have been making a comeback as of late. The way things are now makes it likely that they will continue to do well. 3. Commodities. Gold and other precious metals, as well as raw materials and other natural resources that are important to production, are examples of commodities. Simply put, when demand goes up, prices go up in the economy, and the cost of production usually goes up at the same time. In times of uncertainty, commodities are often seen as a safe place to put your money. 4. Tips. Treasury inflation protected securities, or TIPS, are marketable securities from the U.S. Treasury that protect against the loss of buying power caused by inflation. TIPS are better than regular fixed-rate bonds because they adjust for inflation on a regular basis. TIPS should be part of a lower-risk portfolio segment for investors who want to keep their money safe and keep their purchasing power stable. TIPS are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, so people who own them can be sure they'll get their money back. 5. I-bonds. During times of high inflation, U.S. savings bonds suddenly look like good investments. I-bonds promise to keep up with inflation, even though you can only buy $10,000 worth of them each year, and they are not marketable securities. Like TIPS, they almost always give back the money you put in. Investing in I-bonds won't give you huge returns, but it will help you keep some of your portfolio's buying power. These are the top 5 best ways to make money during inflation. If you like the video, leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel for more money-making videos. Press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.